CapCut Desktop Clear Cache. How to clear C drive space in CapCut Desktop. Now, to clear the cache files for CapCut on your desktop, once you have CapCut opened up, go to Menu from the top left of the screen and you will see a drop-down menu. From here, go to the option Settings. From Settings, go to Performance. And from Performance, you can see the option called Proxy Size. The first thing you can do is try to clear the proxy size as well. You can see Rendering Cache Size. So you can try to clear by clicking this trash icon from here. Second, if you go to the drop section, you can see the cache size over here as well, and you can just hit basically this delete or the trash icon before clearing this cache size. You must make sure that any type of project is actually closed on CapCut, and after that you can just clear this by deleting this icon and just hitting the save button. This way you can clear up disk C drive space and also clear the cache for the CapCut app on your desktop. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.